Okay, ladies or men, let's be real. Some men can grow a full, thick beard, but some of them, like my husband, he cannot do it. He wakes up with like little patchy spots and he never can just grow like a full beard or he can get the goatee, but it does take some time. So anyway, we wanted to try out this Derma roller and it's basically been kind of cool for my husband for his beard growth. It's covered in 540 tiny titanium needles, which might sound really intense, but it's actually very simple. My husband does not like needles, and you can see he's not having a fit over it. You just roll it right over the beard area, wherever you want the hair to grow, a couple times a week. And what it does is trick your skin into thinking it needs to heal. So it boosts the circulation and sends all the good stuff like collagen and nutrients to your hair follicles. So basically, it helps wake up those stubborn spots where hair isn't growing like you want it to. And then you've got the beard growth oil, which is a mix of castor oil, cedar wood, and avocado oil. All the stuff your skin and facial hair love. So it helps keep everything hydrated, soft, and healthy, which is key because getting dry, irritated skin can actually slow down beard growth. And a bonus, it smells like sandalwood and like cedar, so you're not walking around smelling like chemicals either. My husband's been trying this for a little over a week, and the routine is very simple. You roll for a few minutes, apply the oil, and that's it. You're not going to wake up with a full beard overnight, but if you stick with it, I've actually seen some growth on my husband's chin, so hopefully it will help fill in those patchy spots and make his goatee look fuller and healthier over time. We did get this from the brand as a gift to try out, and so far I can say that we're actually liking it. It's a very simple routine. There's hasn't been any weird side effects, and it actually feels kind of nice. He said it's like a mini massage for his face, so we would definitely recommend it if you're looking for a beard growth and oil kit.